In this video, I will show you how to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on PayPal. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com and log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually add the Revolut card or bank account to your PayPal. To do that, once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top to these different options, click onto the pay and get paid option, and then in the wallet section, you want to come down and click onto bank accounts and cards. So that's going to take you across to a screen like this, and from here, all you're going to want to do is come all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see the option down here to either link a bank account or link a card. You can see for myself, I've actually already linked my Revolut card ready to go. But what you want to do, if you do have like a digital card, a virtual Revolut card, or if you have an actual physical card, you want to click onto the link a card button here. And what you would do is simply enter your details. So that's going to be the card number, the card type, as well as the expiry date and security code. Make sure to select the correct billing address and press the blue link card button. So once that's done and it's been verified, you're going to see that Revolut has been added to your cards down here. Now to go ahead and actually transfer funds, all you need to do is go ahead, come back to the home screen of PayPal, and you want to make sure you've actually got a balance in your PayPal first of all. My balance is currently 0, so mine just says add money, but yours will say transfer funds if you do have money in your PayPal balance. So what you would do, this blue button that says add money would actually say transfer funds or transfer money, something like that. You would just simply click onto the transfer money button. Then you would see the option to transfer to one of your other accounts or cards. So from there, you would just simply go ahead and select your Revolut card. And then what you can do is just go through the steps to go ahead and send money from PayPal to Revolut. So that is how to send money from PayPal to Revolut. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.